I'm Sky.
I'm Dasaria.
And welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications by hitting the bell and give this video a big thumbs up.
So today we'll be doing the yoga challenge. There will be 10 poses, so let's get started.
First pose.
Okay, let's move into our second pose. Let's do that one.
Ready?
Okay, so we're doing the third pose right now. Like going.
It's okay.
Fourth pose. Okay. Now we're moving into our sixth pose. Okay, now we're going to do our seventh. Next, like your hands put some like on my feet.
So you put your hands down.
Now we're doing it. Now that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe and like and click the bell and turn on your post notifications.
Bye.